Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting tech news for you. Oppo has launched a new smartphone in India. This is Oppo A16, which is launched at a price of rupees 13,990. This is a successor to Oppo A15 smartphone. Let us have a look at the features and specifications of this smartphone. It is having a 6.52-inch HD plus display with 720 by 1600 pixels of screen resolution. The display comes with eye care mode. It is having color OS 11.1, which is based on Android 11. The device has dimensions 163.8 by 75.6 by 8.4 millimeters and has weight of 190 gram. The device is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 SoC and comes with 64 GB of internal storage with 4 GB of RAM. The device has micro SD card slot which supports up to 256 GB micro SD card. It has triple rear camera setup with 13 megapixels of primary sensor, 2 megapixels bokeh sensor and 2 megapixels of macro sensor. It comes with 8 megapixels of selfie camera. This smartphone comes with connectivity features like Bluetooth version 5, Wi-Fi, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port. It is also having a battery capacity of 5000 mAh and comes with smart battery protection features. It is having IPX4 certification for water resistance. It is available in pearl blue and crystal black color variants. So it is having a price of 13,990. So if you want to purchase this newly smartphone launched from Oppo, which is the Oppo A16, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount for this smartphone. Kindly like this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.